Hi, I'm Andy McRobbie from Buro Seating. I'm joined today by Andrew Wilson. Andrew is a practicing osteopath and ergonomist, and he's also a published author on both of these topics. Andrew, the age-old question, what would you recommend people look for when they're looking or shopping for an office chair?
Certainly. Thanks, Andy. Choose a chair that suits you, your size, your shape, and the tasks you're going to do mostly at work. Main things you want to look for. The seat should feel comfortable as soon as you sit on it. There should be no pressure points. It should have a rounded front edge so it doesn't interfere with your circulation or your tendons. The backrest should support you all the way down to your pelvis, peak at your lumbar spine, and follow the natural contours of your body. It should feel comfortable without any pressure points. The adjustments should be easy to reach from the sitting position. They should be clearly marked, and they should be intuitive and easy to understand and learn how to use them.
Thanks, Andrew. Please stay tuned for our next ErgoTalks update.